Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. Espresso machines look complicated on purpose. Boilers, pumps, valves, group heads, solenoids. Everything feels overbuilt, expensive, and sometimes excessive. Many people assume espresso machines are designed this way for tradition, aesthetics, or marketing. But the truth is far more interesting. Espresso machines are designed the way they are because of physics, chemistry, and failure prevention. Today, we're breaking down why espresso machines look complex, why that complexity is necessary, and how understanding the design instantly improves both coffee quality and maintenance. Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. Espresso machines look complicated on purpose. Boilers, pumps, valves, group heads, solenoids. Everything feels overbuilt, expensive, and sometimes excessive. Many people assume espresso machines are designed this way for tradition, aesthetics, or marketing. But the truth is far more interesting. Espresso machines are designed the way they are because of physics, chemistry, and failure prevention. Today, we're breaking down why espresso machines look complex, why that complexity is necessary, and how understanding the design instantly improves both coffee quality and maintenance. Why boilers exist, and why there are often more than one. Water temperature changes extraction speed and solubility dramatically. Espresso machines use boilers to maintain water within a narrow temperature range, even as cold water enters the system. Dual boilers exist because brewing water and steam require very different temperatures. Separating them prevents compromise. This design isn't luxury. It's necessity when stability matters. Why pumps are used instead of gravity. Espresso uses extremely fine coffee packed into a dense puck. Gravity alone cannot move water through that resistance in a reasonable time. Pumps exist to create controlled pressure and consistent flow regardless of puck resistance. Whether vibration or rotary, pumps are chosen not for force, but for repeatability and control under resistance. Why group heads are so heavy. Group heads aren't bulky by accident. Their mass provides thermal stability. A heavy group head absorbs heat fluctuations and releases energy slowly, keeping brewing temperature consistent during extraction. Lightweight designs heat and cool too quickly, causing unstable shots. Weight equals stability. Why valves and solenoids are everywhere. Valves control direction, pressure release, safety, and recovery. Solenoid valves prevent coffee from continuing to drip, protect components from overpressure, and allow the system to reset instantly between shots. Without them, machines would wear faster, leak more, and behave unpredictably. Why espresso machines are built like industrial equipment. Espresso machines experience constant heat cycles, pressure stress, mineral buildup, and mechanical wear. That's why they use brass, stainless steel, copper, and heavy seals. These machines aren't consumer appliances. They're small industrial systems designed to survive years of abuse. From a technician's point of view, durability is part of the extraction system. Why simpler machines often create more problems. When machines remove components to reduce cost or complexity, instability increases. Temperature swings grow, pressure becomes erratic, and extraction quality suffers. Simpler designs often push problems onto the user, requiring more adjustments, more guesswork, and more frustration. How understanding design makes you a better barista or owner. Once you understand why each part exists, troubleshooting becomes logical. Instead of guessing, you interpret behavior. Pressure changes mean resistance issues. Temperature instability points to thermal problems. Leaks indicate seal or valve failure. Espresso stops being mysterious and becomes mechanical. Espresso machines aren't complicated because manufacturers want to confuse you. They're complicated because espresso itself is demanding. Every component exists to control instability, protect consistency, and survive harsh conditions. At BrewFix, we believe understanding design is the key to better coffee, smarter repairs, and fewer headaches. BrewFix, keeping your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated.